Assalamualaikum and greetings to all of you who are watching this video. First of all, welcome, especially my lecturer, Mr. Irwandi. So we were tasked to conduct a research proposal regarding the topic remote learning for computer science students in general. Hence, as we all know, during this pandemic, the entire educational institution is forced to conduct their course mostly fully online. This is to curb the spread of the virus, which is the COVID-19, which is devastating the world during the recording of this video, of course. Hence, I propose this title, which is Online Learning Cloud-Based Project Management System for Computer Science course during a pandemic to better manage online learning in terms of the computer science students' performances in general. So moving on to the problem statement, why do we need this type of system? Is because first of all, for a computer science student to collaborate in a fully online course, it is a very difficult task to begin with, as we are all aware that most of the tasks given to the computer science student in general, whether it be assignment, project, or just some weekly tasks or online tasks, it will need a certain level of precision and accuracy. Therefore, in addition to that, they will also need to divide complex tasks among themselves and at the same time work in a very synchronized manner to avoid, of course, misinformation and redundancy in terms of doing the task that is given at hand. And last but not least, in conjunction to both of the situation before, is to know what type of cloud-based project management system should be implemented in the university institution to better track and manage the students' progress and also their status during this online learning period that they have to go through. So therefore, question arises from this type of situations. And in terms of this research proposal, these are the three main pillars of question on why we should conduct and develop a cloud-based project management system for students, especially the computer science students, to cope with online learning, is to know in general what are the disadvantages of online learning, whether it be academically, spiritually, and mentally for them. And next is to indicate the productivity rate of online learning in terms of task completion, in terms of due date assignments, are they logical enough for them to finish it in that certain amount of time with other courses too, and how many work do they have to be doing at the same time to ensure a fully immersive education experience during a fully online courses, a fully online semester per se. And last but not least is what is the best system to best suit and accommodate a cloud-based education project management system. What features should that have? What type of a notification should they pop up inside the users, and how would it aid computer science students in general by using the system itself? So those are the three main questions that needs to be answered to better develop the solution afterwards. So the need and the objective and where is this going to be is because we need to identify and specify a good cloud-based project management system with features to aid computer science students with online learning during this pandemic-based era, which has been stated before, to better monitor the computer science students who are working remotely among each other, and also with the university administration themselves or any source of education administration if we were to put it in a bigger picture. So next is to maintain education quality of a fully online course. Yes, it may not be as effective as a physical class, but at the very least, we can polish this type of online courses with the aid of systems like this to better enhance the quality of what students get for entertaining or dealing with online courses during this pandemic. Just need to make sure that information is flowing in the right way and in the right capacity for remote students and also the management themselves. Next is to better instill the work-life balance of students who are going through the draining and cumbersome online teaching, to monitorize how well are they doing remotely in terms of their physical, mental, and spiritual capabilities to complete a task, learn a course, and finish the semester. Therefore, we move on to the methodology. This is because this type of cloud-based project management system is actually not new. It's actually being used for freelancers all around the world, especially the IT workers who are working remotely from different state or different country. It's just not being implemented well enough in an education institution, or in this case, the university in general, because before this, the university rely on physical classes, meaning to say it is fashion to be contributing on a face-to-face manner. But since this was the pandemic was very unexpected, we will have to adapt to the new normal, which is to go through an online class regardless of whether we like it or not. This is for, in general, the best of mankind per se. So in this case, this type of system is in high demand. When we talk about high demand, meaning to say the product must be developed at a very high pace because they need it now and they need it fast. So the best way to develop this system is using the fastest method available out there, and it is agile programming method. So this is because agile programming method, as you can see from the diagram itself, it only comprises of 4 major steps: gathering requirement, prototyping, development, and also launch. And as you can see, the prototyping and development is in a spiral, meaning to say it could be done in a very iterative process. You can hack and slash the design phase to develop them and see whether it is suitable enough to be used afterwards. So meaning to say this kind of method is fast in terms of development and is very flexible. So it is one of the best way to conduct an emergency system per se for this, for example, this type of cloud-based project management system. Due to how uncertain things were before, and yeah, this method is one of the best way to do it. So that will be all for my proposal on a cloud-based project management system for computer science students in general. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Take care. Thank you.